Hey guys, welcome back. Mr. Will here. Video lesson for Monday, April 13th, 2020 for the groups Feed Me Pie and Divide and Conquer. Hope you had a great weekend and you're feeling good about another week of online instruction. Happy Easter to all those who are celebrating. I hope you had a nice Easter and the Easter Bunny treated you well. Just a reminder that today, this is a video lesson for the day, but there will be no new work that is assigned for today. The work that I want you to work on was assigned Friday, and it's going to be due Tuesday at the end of the day. So you have several days to work on these review questions. So let's get to it. We are continuing to problem solve with proportional relationships. Our problem today states Roy buys a coat for $86.40, which includes an 8% sales tax. Which equation could you use to find the cost of the coat, C, without the sales tax? Now, in the book, this is one of the questions that you're to be working on over the next couple of days. But I wanted to break it down with you. Now, instead of giving you options like the book, let's see if we can figure it out without the multiple choice. So the first thing that we really need to understand is what this question is asking us. So you can be thinking to yourself, how can I think about the price of the coat without the sales tax as a percent? Because really we're trying to find the percent of the sales of, the percent of the jacket compared to the sales tax. So we know the coat is $86.40, which includes both the jacket and the tax. What we want to do is make an equation that will separate the two, separate the sales tax with the cost of the jacket. So what I'm going to do is I know that my one side of my equation needs to equal $86.40. Why? Well, it needs to equal $86.40 because that's the cost of the jacket plus the tax. Now, what I want to do is I want to try to make an equation that would, again, separate the tax with just the cost of the jacket. Now, I know that this 8% here can be written as a decimal. How do we write 8% as a decimal? Well, it would be 0.08. Now, an equation that we can use to find the cost of the jacket would be using the variable C, because we don't know what the cost of the jacket is, but we know that we can use a variable to take the place of the value. A letter taking the place of a value in math is called a variable. So I have C plus my 8%, which is my sales tax over here, 8% times the cost of the jacket. And what we can do is, it's not asking us to solve it. We could, but it's not asking us to solve it. It's simply asking us to write the equation. So what this equation means is the cost of the jacket plus 8% of the cost of the jacket times the cost of the jacket equals $86.40. Now wait, math is so cool because there's another way to figure this out as well. Another way that we can do it is the total is still going to cost $86.40, but you can find the cost of the jacket if you multiply the cost of the jacket times 1/800 times the cost of the jacket. And you might say, wait a minute, what? What is this talking about? Well, what this equation is stating is 100%, that's where the 1 comes in, 108, the 8 is the sales tax, so 100% of the jacket plus 8% of the sales tax times the cost equals $86.40. So you can break it apart that way too. So these are two equations, C plus 8/100 times C equals 86.40, or 1.800 times C equals 86.40. Hopefully, as we're working, you can continue to explore this topic.